In this video, I will show you how you can request payment and get paid through direct contract on Upwork site. Once we are logged into our Upwork site, we need to click the direct contracts icon in the top right of the page. We are taken to the direct contracts page, where we can see all the work or job proposals that have been accepted or pending. This second job proposal has been accepted and yet active, and I have completed the job. Hence, I can click this request payment button and ask for the payment, which is already in escrow with Upwork site. Again, I need to confirm requesting the payment from the client in this pop-up window. Now the payment request has been sent to the client's email account from Upwork. Once the client approves the payment, which means there is no issue with the job done, the payment will be transferred to my Upwork account, which can be withdrawn by me. But if the client does not respond by 14 days after request, then Upwork will release the payment. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.